Hello guys, I'm Doge. Actually Doge. And I help us the Roblox man face. I help the owner who makes videos to make me as the Roblox man face. Because the owner puts on the man face on me. I'm so sorry because I cut the video. Because I'm so lazy to put on the Roblox man face. It's fun. I got to cut it again, sorry guys. Then and also I'll do a Q&A video later. And you want to see the Roblox man face on me? You said yes? Okay, I'm gonna put it on. Wait, it's the same. I am Doge, wearing the Roblox man face right now. And I'm literally sweating. I don't have the fan turned on, I need to. So that's just the fun. What's the fun? Sorry, I show my real face. No, I don't care. That's the fun right there. I live in Philippines. Yeah. If you're new to this channel, hello. This channel is making really funny videos, like normal videos, funny videos, very relatable videos, Q&A videos, and some videos I don't know what to say to like explain. I got to put on my Doge original face now. Okay, finally I put on that face. And want to see the original man face without the original man face with a mask. Man face, come here. Hey guys, I'm the Roblox man face. The original one. Want to see the owner? Come owner. Hello, I'm the owner.